People are making money posting scary stories online without showing their face, and most of them are using just one free app. That app is CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use free CapCut AI on your computer to create viral horror stories and turn them into income. Hey, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mavumbi, and on this channel, I share simple tutorials about AI tools and ways to make money online.
Subscribe if you want to learn more. Let's get started. Alright, let's start with step number 1. First, we need a good horror story, because the story is what makes the video go viral. And for this, we're going to use AI. We'll use ChatGPT to generate a short viral horror story that we can later turn into a video inside CapCut AI. Go to ChatGPT and type a prompt like this. Write a 60-second viral horror story with a twist ending. Make it suspenseful and easy to understand. This is important. Short horror stories perform best because people watch until the end. The twist ending increases retention, and higher retention means more views. Once ChatGPT generates the story, read through it and make sure it sounds natural, it's easy to understand, and it has a strong ending. Pro tip: pay attention here. This is very important. The best horror stories usually include one character, one location, one scary moment. Simple stories go viral faster. Before we move to the next step, if this video is adding value to you so far, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to learn how to make money online using AI. It really helps the channel grow, and it motivates me to create more tutorials like this. Now, the next step is very important. This is where we actually turn our story into a video using CapCut AI. And later in this video, I'll also show you how you can start making money using these videos. So, let's go to CapCut.
Okay guys, so this is our second step. We're going to CapCut to create our story, our video. So here, if you don't, this is CapCut Web I'm using. If you don't have this, go to Google, type CapCut Web. This one will come up and sign up with them and you can use. Guys, they got everything here. They got all these templates. They all are free for you to use, and it's very easy to use this template. You just change a bit and that's it. That's you go the video. If you are serious, want to make money online, you can use this template. It's free to start with. You don't have to pay anything. Use ChatGPT to create your stories, and you come here and you create your video. So first step we did, we come to ChatGPT. We give him a prompt to write a script for this video. So now we write a story. You give us a story. So we're going to copy all this story here. Give us here. Make sure you read it proper. And we come in here. I'm going to copy this story here. I'm going back to CapCut. Once you hear in CapCut, come here. Free AI video maker. So I'm going to click this one here, and this is going to be our place where we're going to create our video. So this is the place we go. I'm going to paste the story, the script you give to us. So here you see this, all these templates you can use if you want to. So come here, style, click style, which is we did for horror is here. So style that voice we're going to choose here. They got a lot of voice to choose from. They got a lot of them, right, to choose from. So you come here and try one by one and see which one you want to use. For example, like if I come here.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Okay, they got a lot of them.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Okay, so let's use this one here. But you choose which voice match with your brand. So you can choose the female, the male. They got all those things here. And here you come to choose duration. Listen, you can create a video up to 10 minutes, and this video, it can be long form video. This is for YouTube. Is the best way. The longer the video, the more money you're going to make in YouTube. So here you can choose aspect ratio. Is a 16:9, which is long form video for YouTube, or you can do short form video, which is 9:16. This one, short video, you can use this. The same video you can use in YouTube. You can upload in TikTok. You can upload in Instagram. So you can have in 3 platforms, just only one video you create. And once you have enough people they subscribe on your channel, and you meet the YouTube monetization requirement, you're going to start to make money online. So this one is 1 minute duration, 3 minutes, 5, 10 minutes. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose 3 minutes here. Okay, so once you finish here, click create. and CapCut is going to start to create our video. Just give a few minutes and we'll see what you come up with. So here you want to make sure everything's right, what we wanted to do. Okay, let's have a look. Everything's fine. Click generate video and it's going to start to generate our video.
I found the house online. No photos. No price. Just one sentence. Free if you stay the night. Everyone told me not to go, which, of course, meant I had to. The house sat alone at the end of a dead road. Windows black like empty eyes. Inside, the air smelled old, like dust and something rotten. At midnight, I heard footsteps upstairs. Slow.
Okay, this is perfect. The voice, it goes with the script, with the movie, with the everything, goes perfectly. Okay, so once you finish this, you are happy with everything, you can come here, you see edit more. If you want to edit more, you can click this one, edit more. This one will take you to CapCut. You can change this video, you can add sound effect, you can add all those good stuff, you can add music you want. Your video is going to look very, very nice, right? So this is the difference between other people, and if you want to get monetized, or if you want to get more viewing, if you want to get your video to go viral, you need to add stuff like sound effect, you need to add music, and it goes with the video. Okay, so you can click here, edit more, you go there and change, and once you finish, click here, export. If you want to change, you're happy with everything here, click export, and your video is going to be ready to be exported. Okay, click here, export, and your video is going to be ready to be exported. So this video is going to be in your computer and it's going to be ready for you to upload in your YouTube channel.
I found the house online. No photos. No price. Just one sentence. Free if you stay the night. Everyone told me not to go, which, of course, meant I had to. The house sat alone at the end of a dead road. Windows black like empty eyes. Inside, the air smelled old, like dust and something rotten. At midnight, I heard footsteps upstairs. Slow, dragging, waiting. I grabbed my phone and whispered, "Hello." The footsteps stopped. Then, running. Straight. Running straight. Toward the stairs. I locked myself in the nearest room, heart pounding so loud it hurt. The handle began to turn. Once. Twice, then violently shaking. I screamed, "What do you want?" Silence. A small voice answered from behind me. "You." I spun around. A little boy stood in the corner, pale, smiling too wide. "Everyone who comes here hides," he said, "but they never leave." I ran. Down the stairs. Out the front door, but instead of the road, I saw only darkness. The house was gone, just endless, black, behind me. The boy giggled. "You didn't enter the house," he whispered. "You were invited." My phone buzzed in my hand. A new property listing appeared. Photo, me, standing in an upstairs window, smiling. Caption, "Free if you stay the night."
Now let's talk about the most important part, how you actually make money with these horror story videos. Once you start creating videos consistently, there are several ways you can earn. Method 1, YouTube monetization. The first method is YouTube monetization. After your channel grows and reaches the requirements, YouTube can pay you for the views your videos get. This is the long-term goal, building a channel that earns passively. Method 2, short-form income. You can also post these videos on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels. One video can be used on multiple platforms to increase your chances of going viral. Method 3, digital products. Another powerful way to make money is selling digital products. For example, courses, guides, templates. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning. If you want to learn this method faster, I have step-by-step courses available. You can find them in my Gumroad shop, link in the description below. And if you want a complete step-by-step system, from opening your channel, setting up your channel, getting monetized, creating videos, everything is explained in the links below. This is perfect for beginners who want a clear path instead of guessing what to do. So today you learned how to generate a horror story using AI, turn it into a video using CapCut AI, and how to start making money from it. The most important thing now is to start. Don't wait for the perfect video. Your first video won't be perfect, and that's completely normal. The creators who succeed are the ones who stay consistent. If you want to go deeper into this method, check the links in the description. You'll find my courses, step-by-step guides, and tools I use. And if you want me to create tutorials based on what you need, there's also a Google form in the description. Fill it out and tell me what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.